talked about 5.5 years ago when we got started talking to audiences like this, and it's only gotten worse, which is 2/3 of all IT spending is really not spent to build new services and build new capabilities, but it's really just on management, on sustaining. And whether you're talking about operational use cases for Splunk or security use cases for Splunk, fundamentally where Splunk has made a huge difference is in attacking this problem of the imbalance between management spend and new service spend. So another part of the context for Splunk is really the competing demands on IT. So, I don't know if this resonates with you, it does with most audiences we talk to, but there's a real tension between wanting to control costs in IT, but wanting to increase service levels, wanting to reduce and control risk, but also having the agility to deliver new services. And getting visibility, giving the business visibility, which I think is part of the discussion at dinner, with Risk Focus last night, was that I think IT departments are getting more demands from the business to get visibility into what's going on services. But doing that is again pulling away from controlling cost, from increasing service levels. So these demands are really competing with one another. And meeting those challenges is really frustrated by the complexity of how we manage IT. The reality is that most of you probably work in more siloed ways than you'd like. And you have very complex silo-based systems. The system that knows what the applications are doing is separate from the system that knows what the servers are doing, separate from the system that understands what the actual business transactions are that are happening. And that's really frustrating, meeting all those demands on the previous slide. And so, you have this explosion in, we're going to take this into a data problem, but the visibility, the ability to keep services running is really frustrated by the fact that there's an explosion of IT data volumes of different kinds of sources and types of information that are siloed around the environment.